Hello, in this presentation, it explains about the financial aspect of a business feasibility study. Before that, introduce my name is Nudiana with NPM 234110039, class MNG 23D. Mastering Financial Essentials. The financial aspect of a business feasibility study is an assessment of the company financial condition to determine whether or not a business is feasible. This financial aspect includes financial planning, revenue projection, and risk analysis. Work financial planning. Develop a realistic financial plan that considers risk, income projection, estimating future business incoming and expenses, and risk analysis. Identify financial risks that may be encountered. Decoding financial concept. 1. Asset, liability, and equity. Asset, liability, and equity are important in accounting and corporate governance. They are the main components of a company balance sheet. 2. Revenue, expenses, profit. Revenues, cost, and profit are important components in a profit-oriented business feasibility study. Analyzing the financial aspect of a business feasibility study helps gauge the potential success of a business. 3. Cash flow. Cash flow in a business feasibility study is a projection of the expected movement of money in and out of the project. Cash flow illustrates the financial health of the company. Next, the financial statements. An overview of the financial position in a business feasibility study is an assessment of the company's finances, including the acquisition of funds, revenue estimates, and financial statement projection. These financial aspects help determine the company level of probability and risk. They include the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Financial statement analysis. 1. Ratio analysis. Ratio analysis is a financial evaluation technique that compares two or more figures from financial statements to provide a picture of the performance and financial health of a company. This analysis helps in understanding the relationship between various financial elements and evaluating the effectiveness of the company management. 2. Trend analysis is a method for identifying patterns and changes in data over time. Trend analysis can be used in a variety of fields such as business, financial, and market research. 3. Benchmarking is the process of comparing the performance of a company with other companies or industry standards. Benchmarking is part of strategic management that is carried out to improve company performance. Master financial statement analysis, ratio, trends, and benchmarking techniques. Examples include current ratio, net profit margin, and debt to equity. Next, budgeting and forecasting. Budgeting is the process of detailed financial planning, setting revenue and expenditure targets, and allocation resources to achieve specific goals. Forecasting is the process of estimating potential future financial results by analysis trend, historical data, and other assessments. Budgeting forecasting is a type of forecasting that takes input from the budget to predict future financial performance. This includes creating a budget platform for the future. Forecasting technique predicts future performance. Variance analysis identify deviation from the plan. Investment basis. Investment is the purchase of assets by considering current and future economic conditions to obtain certain return in the future. What needs to be considered is that the higher the return we expect, the higher the risk we have to bear. This is why we have to be smart in placing our assets so that we don't lose money. One, investment options are the various investment options availability for investors to pledge their funds with the aim of earning a return or profit in the future. Example stock, bond, and mutual fund. Two, risk and return is a concept in financial management that deals uh, with risk and a return in investment. Risk is the profitability of loss, while return is the profit earned. And in making investment decisions, investors are asked to minimize risks. Investors will dare to invest if the expected rate of return is high enough to compensate for the risk borne. 3. Diversification is a strategy where a company or individual adds variety of new options to reduce risk and increase opportunity. In a business context, diversification means expanding a portfolio of products, services, or markets. In an investment context, diversification means allocating investment to different financial instruments to minimize loss. Next, financial risk management. Financial risk management is the process of identifying, evaluating, and managing risks associated with a finance. The goal is to minimize losses and maximize profits. The benefits are to protect the value of the company, save costs, and increase profit. Well, the process is identification, analysis, and measurement of risks, then implementation of risk management strategies. Financial risk management is important for companies and individuals because financial risk can arise with operating in the economy and financial system. Next, the FinTech revolution is a term that refers to the use of technology to improve and automate financial service, which has changed the way we access and manage our finances. Fintech encompasses a wide range of innovation, from digital payments, online lending, investment management, to cryptocurrencies. The ultimate goal is to make financial service more accessible, faster, and cheaper. Here is a case study example, real-world financial application. Case study 1. Analysis Apple Financial Health is a case study that aims to evaluate the overall financial condition of the Apple company. The analysis involves examining various financial indicators such as revenues, profit, asset, liability, and financial ratio comprised to determine Apple's financial health and evaluation its financial performance. Case Study 2. Investment Decision in a Volatile Market COVID crash 2020. Reference to analysis how investors or market participants make investment decisions when a major crisis occurs. In this case, when the stock market experiences a severe fall due to the COVID-19 pandemic at the beginning of the year 2020. Key takeaways. Based on the result of the financial aspect analysis in the business feasibility study, it can be concluded that this business plan is feasible from a financial perspective. The calculation of initial investment needs, project revenue, and operating costs show that the business is able to generate a stable and increasing net profit every year. Thus, from a financial aspect, the business is considered feasible and has the potential to provide significant profit in the long term. However, disciplined financial management and regular monitoring of cash flow and operating costs are required to maintain business sustainability.